This is a VDRL shaker or a Rotary shaker or Orbital shaker, you can say any by word. So this is connected with the power and it has four flask holders. You can put the round bottom flask. As you can see, this is round bottom or this is conical. It's very easy. Just open this. This is called lotus flask holder. You can put this lotus flask holder in that. And there's another one which is without springs. So that is also there. So you switch on the switch on. When you switch it on, this will work only when the timer is. This one is also a timer. I show you. This timer is almost now closed. It will not work even if you put the change of the speed. It has a rotary speed, but it should be with the timer. It will be with the timer, and then you can change the speed. You can change the speed. It will be almost here. See, the four flasks can be held. Even this one we have the up to 250 ml flask can be held. It is for 50 or 100 ml. This timer, you have to close the timer. Only then it will work, because now the switch is on is there, but if you switch off and on, it will not start unless the timer is working. Please visit the website and share the videos and subscribe to the channel. abron01@gmail.com is our email, and WhatsApp number is 9416020018, and website is abronexports.com. Please visit the website and share the videos, subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you very much.